I've been through a lot of paper towels in the last few months, and honestly, I was starting to dread the weekly trips to the store. The prices were just creeping up, and the quality was, well, let's just say it wasn't holding up. I'm not a huge brand person when it comes to household essentials, so I was looking for something reliable without breaking the bank. That's how I stumbled across the Amazon Basics 2-ply Flex Sheets paper towels. Now, I wasn't expecting anything revolutionary, but the initial impression was solid. Each roll comes with 150 sheets, and there are 12 rolls in the pack, totaling 1,800 sheets. That's a lot of cleaning power. They're FSC certified, which is a nice touch knowing they're made with materials from well-managed forests. And the Flex Sheets design? It actually works. You can tear them to the exact size you need, which genuinely minimizes waste. These are priced at $14.99, which is significantly less than the premium brands like Cottonelle, which regularly hit $25 a pack. The packaging might vary, but the core product is consistently good. The only minor thing I've noticed is that they do tend to compress a little after a few uses, but that's pretty standard for this type of paper towel. I can see these being perfect for a busy family or anyone just looking for a dependable paper towel. I've been using them to wipe down the kitchen counters, clean up after the kids, and even for quick spills. It's just a simple, effective solution. Let's say in about 6 months, I'll be relying on these to tackle the inevitable messes of family life. It's not about flashy marketing. It's about consistently getting the job done. I've seen a few people on forums mentioning they use these for cleaning their windows, and that's a great use case too. They're a fantastic value, and I'm genuinely impressed. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.